Today, we're going to bring in 4 LED lights. Now, these are perfect if you're going to do a pool party at night and you're going to have something illuminated. It doesn't have to be a pool, but it could be anything pretty much. So you could change the LED tone and actually the actual color too. So we're going to open it up and see what you get. But first of all, I want to let you guys know the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us for review. So let's take a look at it and see what you get. 4 LED lights. And these are perfect to put them in different locations, if you guys can see that. So they're supposed to be waterproof, and they give you 4 controls, not 2. They give you 4 controls. Look at that. 4 controls for every single light. Now these are perfect if you're gonna put them like anywhere in the water or somewhere, because they're kind of seal proof. You have to twist them open, if you guys can see that. Now in here in the back, they do have the battery section. They have 3 AAA batteries that go in the back, right? So if you guys can see, and then you just tie them down. But if you guys can see, there is a metal here piece that you can magnetize from one end. So that's what it says, open and close, and then multiple colors remote control.